How to make paid content in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily make your own content paid in Telegram. For that, you just have to open your Telegram application and then you just have to create your channel. If you have successfully created your channel, then you just have to simply tap on it. As you can see that this is my channel, and if you want to join it, then you can join this as well, because in the future I'm going to give you some of the latest airdrops that comes on Telegram. So if you want to join, then I will put its link down in the description. So over here, in order to make your content paid, you need to click on this clip icon. Then you need to simply select your photo or your video. After selecting it, you need to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner and then select the made this content paid option. After that, it will ask you to enter the unlock cost. So you just have to select the unlock cost. Let's say I have selected the 5 stars. Then you need to tap on the make this media paid, and then you need to press the enter button in order to simply send it into your channel. So this way you will be able to make your content paid on Telegram. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.